Today we're exploring spinal undulations on all fours, a gentle wave-like movement that helps release tension through the spine, hips, and pelvis. Move slowly and let the breath guide the rhythm of the body. Start on hands and knees, finding a comfortable tabletop position. From here, we begin with a simple cat-cow movement, allowing the spine to round and then gently open. Inhale as the chest lifts slightly. Exhale as the spine softens and rounds. Cat-cow is the foundation for spinal undulations. Now begin to let that movement become a wave through the spine. The motion can start from the pelvis, traveling slowly through the belly, the chest, and finally the head. And then the wave returns back down through the body. You can explore different anchor points with your hands and knees. You can explore by shifting your weight forward and back, coming back into child's pose and moving forward into cobra allows you to explore the full spinal undulation, and you can explore that both ways. There's no need to force the movement. Just allow the spine to move in a slow, fluid rhythm. You might notice the hips gently rocking, the shoulders softening, and the breath naturally guiding the pace. You can keep the movement small and subtle, or allow the wave to travel a little more fully through the spine. Sometimes these spinal waves begin to feel almost like a slow dance within the body. Take a few more gentle undulations here, allowing the spine to move freely and the hips to soften. And when you're ready, slowly return to stillness. Notice how the spine and pelvis feel after the movement. If you enjoyed this today, you can dive even deeper into my series, Elements of Embodiment, where we explore spinal undulations under the water element. The link is in the description. Thank you for practicing with me today.